Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is beef and coconut curry. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First we make a coarse paste. Put the garlic, chillies, ginger, lime zest and juice with 1 tablespoon of oil in a blender and blitz to a coarse paste. When you're ready to cook, heat the remaining oil in the pan, add the onions and fry off for 2 to 3 minutes. After the 2 minutes, add the coarse paste and continue to fry for a further 2 minutes. When the onions start to take on some colour, it's time to add the cinnamon, fennel and cumin seeds, ground coriander, chilli powder and turmeric, and continue to fry for another 2 minutes. Also add a splash of water so the spices don't burn. Then it's time to add the beef and continue to fry for, you've guessed it, 2 minutes. Then it's time to add the salt, pepper, sugar and coconut milk and thoroughly mix together. Then bring the curry up to a boil, place the pan on a low heat and simmer for 1 to 1.5 hours or until the beef is nice and tender. Then the curry is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon again sometime. Bye for now.